I wanted to create this quick video to answer the question, what is cilantro good for? Now, cilantro is also known as Chinese parsley and coriander, which also describes the seeds of cilantro. Now, cilantro is a powerful antioxidant. It's an antiseptic, which prevents the growth of microorganisms. It's antifungal, anti-inflammatory, just like a lot of other herbs. It has a good amount of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K1. It has minerals, calcium, selenium, magnesium, manganese, folate. But the main benefit of cilantro is this. It is a heavy metal chelator. Now, the word chelation comes from the word claw, because a chelator attaches onto heavy metals and binds them and pulls them out of the body. So cilantro is good to remove aluminum from the body, mercury, arsenic, lead, and cadmium. If you have high levels of these, I would recommend either consuming cilantro with every single meal or taking cilantro as a supplement 3 times a day for 3 to 4 months to see the effect. The nice thing about detoxifying yourself using cilantro, because you're working with the body using all the phytonutrients and doing it on a very gradual level. And lastly, if you wanted to know more about the symptoms of heavy metal toxicity, I put a link below. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications.